Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I prepared my chicken parmesan. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post amazing new videos. Now, let us cook. So guys, for my ingredients here, I have 3 medium-sized chicken breasts. I also have 1/4 cup of olive oil. My season, which include meat season, Italian season, garlic and onion powder, paprika, and black pepper. Beaten eggs with milk. I have my panko crumb with parsley, dried parsley flakes. And now guys, I'm gonna be pounding my chicken breast with a rolling pin. I didn't have a mallet, so you can go ahead and use a rolling pin. I'm just gonna pound the chicken to even the thickness. Now I'm adding my olive oil, and this is gonna help the season to stick to the chicken, guys. So now guys, I'm adding my seasons, and you want to ensure that each part of your chicken, they're well coated, nooks and crannies, all parts of the chicken. Yeah, because you want your chicken to be real flavorful. Now guys, to coat the chicken, first we're going to take the chicken breast and you want to place it in the flour and coat both sides. Then you're going to give it a small shake just to release the excess flour. Then you're going to dip it both sides in the egg and then place it in the breadcrumb. And you want to ensure that you're pressing the breadcrumb down in the chicken, guys, just to get the nooks and crannies on both sides. Now I'm placing it on that cutting board, and you want to repeat with the remaining chicken breast. And here you have our chicken breast all prepped and ready to go. So guys, in a skillet on medium to high heat, I went ahead and add 1/4 cup of olive oil. Allow that to heat. Then you're going to place your chicken breast. Ensure to cook your chicken breast for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side or until it is golden brown. And guys, very important note, please don't overcrowd your chicken breast. So we're going to turn our chicken breast, and this is a perfect sear that we're looking for, golden brown. And guys, it doesn't matter if your chicken breast isn't fully cooked. We're just looking for that golden brown sear on the outside because we will be finishing them off in the oven. Now I'm going to repeat the same step with the remaining chicken breast. So guys, in a casserole dish, I'm placing 6 tablespoons of marinara. I'm gonna spread that evenly, then I'm gonna arrange the chicken over the sauce in a single layer. Then I'm gonna top each chicken pieces with marinara and cover with mozzarella. So guys, I'm gonna be baking these uncovered in a preheated oven at a temperature at 350 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes until the sauce is bubbly and the cheese well melted. And guys, here we have our chicken parm straight out of the oven, looking so good. Oh my goodness, this looks amazing. Guys, I topped that off with dried parsley flakes. I'm also gonna be using some fresh basil. Oh my goodness, you guys can go ahead and serve this with whatever pasta you have. I will be using spaghetti, and I love you guys so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Please do remember to turn on your post notification so you can get notified when I post amazing new videos. And I love you guys so much for stopping by. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.